everyone, I'm back with another unboxing. This one is for the Potomac beads. This one is the XL Best Bead box. It's the first bead box that I order from them in this size. I ordered a few of the other, they have a smaller size, and then they have this one, which is the XL size. And as always, in the description box below, I'll be adding in the link where you can subscribe. If you're interested, this video is not sponsored. I ordered these on my own, but I've been excited because I also love to seed bead and, you know, not just wire work. I love to do seed beading. So I wanted to try this subscription out. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm excited. All right, so it's got a little magnet. I like that because you can keep your beads in there, keep them organized. And then this one is for the month of, it should be for the month of September. So this one is called Best Bead Box XL Forbidden Oasis. Escape the mundane while learning simple techniques to get your jewelry making oasis. So it comes with this. Oh, and it's got all the beads that come in the box. So you have the list. And then you get also this is a pattern, it looks like, the Quicksilver necklace. So I like that they give you patterns because sometimes on beading, not so much on wire work, but on beading, I do get stuck on what to design. So this is cool. I like this. So it comes with the instructions step by step. So we've got one. And we've got a free-form peyote bracelet. It's another pattern. And again, with its steps. And you can even watch the video of these patterns. So they do have a YouTube channel. So you can always, if you feel stuck and are a visual person like I am, you can definitely go watch the video. And I think that's really cool and super helpful. And then we have the Contessa Bracelet, another pattern. So this is a bonus pattern. So you get two patterns plus the bonus pattern, and same thing. And same thing has a video. So very cool. Again, all your steps for this Contessa bracelet looks really, really nice. All right, so let's check it out. I'm gonna look at the beads. Make sure that I have. So for the Quicksilver necklace pattern, so it looks like you get enough beads for the first two patterns, and then the bonus Contessa pattern, it says that the materials are not included. So that is on your own, but at least it's a nice pattern if you have a seed bead stash. You know, other types of beads like these crystal they're called navettes, I believe. So anyway, let's move on. So it looks like you got the two patterns. Oh, very cool. You got the two patterns in the baggies. So I'll go through this in a minute, but then we've got, let's see. I'm gonna move this out of the way so that we can see them better, and bring in my little mat so we can check them out and they don't go rolling all over the place. So it looks like the first beads that we have out of the box are these Potomac crystal Rondelle beads in Smoky Topaz AB, and these are 1.5 by 2 millimeter rondelles. Look at that, really, really tiny. I'm gonna bring them up closer so you guys can see. I love this, the Smoky Topaz, beautiful fall colors. Today is the first day of fall, so it's perfect. So it doesn't, oh yeah, you get 100 beads. Then we have these beautiful check petals. And these are purple iris gold. Oh, look at that. One of them is broken. Oh, well. Oh, that's sad. So these are purple iris gold, and they are 14 by 13 millimeter. I love the little metallic finish. Very, very pretty. Look at this green. Very nice. Just sad that we have a broken one. Then we have some earbacks. Oh, nice. They're 3.5 by 3 millimeters. Ear wire backs. Always come in handy. Are they the square ones? Yeah, these are the square ones. They're not the little mushroom looking ones. Very cool. I thought they were interesting looking beads. And then we have the actual, we have the pad post for the earrings, 6 millimeters, and these are stainless steel, which is nice for people that have, you know, ear allergies like I do. I can't wear many metals on my ears or I get an infection. So these are really good for to know that they're stainless steel. Very cool. And I guess that's why we got earring, what do you call it? The ear wire backs. Now we know. They just came out with a pattern too of these round peyote stitch like button covers, but they could easily be earrings. And then I'm not going to take these out because you guys know what it is. We have some head pins, and these are 99.9 silver plated brass. They're premium. Very cool. Yeah, they're flat heads, but I like that they're long ones. You really can do a lot with it. Those are nice to have in your stash. And then we have these beautiful drop duo crystal in Labrador full, and these are 3 by 6 millimeters. Look at that. They look like little teardrops. Very cool. Huh. I like the little teardrops. That's pretty. These are interesting. I've got some of these in round beads and might be able to go together. Are they leaves? Yeah, these are little leaves. And again, very fall themed. These are check leaf drop beads, and they are 10 by 6 millimeter in a teal swirl. Those are really nice. Okay, you can see the little leaves, half and half. We got a little swirl, so they're perfect. And then where's the hole? The hole is up on the top on the side, so I like that because then they really do hang instead of them being through the, you know, instead of the hole being drilled vertical. I like when they're on the edge over here. And then we have pie duo beads in metallic sea blue, and now they do look like little pie shapes. Very cool. I like this metallic blue. Very pretty, and it goes with all the other color schemes that they've sent, a part of the other beads. So they are 6 by 8 millimeter. I don't know if I said that already. These are some of my favorite things. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? These are Potomac crystal chatons, crystal AB, and they're 8 millimeter. Look at how pretty they are. Chatons. I think that's how you say it. I apologize if I'm mispronouncing, but I think that's how I've heard them pronounced. Look at how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. They're like a rainbow. They look pink and yellow and green. These are my gorgeous earrings too. They got the little pointy silver back. Then we have these 2-hole bar beads in jet hematite, and they are 2 by 6 millimeters. Look at how interesting these are. Such a pretty color. And they have the, like it says, they're little bars, so perfect for little spacers. Then we have these carrier beads in vintage copper. These are a little bit bigger. These are 9 by 17 millimeters. These cool. I like that metallic look. I could see these on a bracelet. That would be very cool. Put them in between some seed beads. You don't need to do much, just a very simple design, and they make any seed beads just look really pretty on a fall bracelet. Very cool. Then we have these lovely Potomac crystal cylinders, and they are metallic bronze iris in 4mm. Look at how pretty these are, these little tubes. Again, really pretty. You know, I could see these in some statement earrings hanging. They probably look beautiful as some danglies. Now that statement earrings are so in for the season. These would look really, really pretty. I'm gonna have to think of that and post a video if I make a design, because that's what has sparked my creativity. Sometimes it just takes one bead. And then we just have a ring. What is this called? This is just a red ring setting, round 18mm silver setting, and it is adjustable, it looks like. So there's a little bit rusty there, but I'm assuming we can clean it off. Yeah, there it goes. It's gone. So definitely a nice way to make a ring. So we'll have to think of something there. All right, so those were the beads for our stash. And then, like I mentioned earlier, these are the 2 for the projects. I'm not going to take them out because if you want to see the projects, Potomac, you can visit Potomac Beads YouTube channel and see the different tutorials. But I like that they come with the 2 already bagged for you. You're not searching for the beads that you need. And also it has the steps plus the video. It makes it super simple to make these projects, which I really, really like. Also, if you want to follow me on my Instagram, I will be showing off these once I have them finished. I can show you what the finished product looks like. So yeah, that is all for the Potomac Beads XL bead box. And let me know, what do you guys think? Are you subscribed? Do you like it? Or are you maybe interested in subscribing? Make sure you comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as it helps my channel be discovered. Thank you so much to the people that have been subscribing. I am super excited to keep bringing tutorials for you guys and more bead boxes, which as always, I still have a bunch that I need to do. And so don't forget to subscribe and like. Again, thank you so much. Please take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.